Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel, Sagitnet 2. Your horse is a little bit not in 100% mode. I caught a cold and my brain is a little bit kind of oozy right now. It's a never-ending project. As you have noticed, my shifter is a little bit on forward side. I really have to reach out and grab the lever in order to shift. So I went and got me a double bend shifter. This one belongs to a 93 Integra. My older brother used to own a DA9 back in the day, and I'm not really sure if this is a short shifter. We will find out if this is a short shifter or not. I'm going to compare it to the one that I have, the extension of the lever right after the ball. That is the episode for today. Is get an upgrade my shift lever, that way I don't have to reach out whenever I'm selecting gears and everything. So it will help me out if this will be right here at the center. Right now this is neutral, as you can see the difference between the two. Yeah, there's short distance here than it is at the back. So the double bend will give this the shift knob will be right about here, right about in the center. I think that will help tremendously. And also maybe right after I get done with it, we'll take her out for another drive. There's one more thing that I have not checked out. It's because of the as you know, it's a new motor. The RPM has to go up or gradually go up to a certain RPM before you can hammer it or beat on it or something. I'm gonna pop her a VTEC. The last time I did this, I got in trouble on YouTube. Yeah, they sent me a message that I can't do that. It's something to do with the title, Pop Miley's VTEC and all that. If anyone's gonna pop Miley's VTEC, it will be me. Alright, let me show you what I have. The one that I'm gonna replace it with. It's nothing fancy. This is what I got. Rock, paper, and scissor racing. This is the best I could find on eBay. I'm not sponsored by eBay, by the way. I'm looking for something made out of steel. I know a lot of items on there is made out of aluminum. You don't want aluminum on when it comes to a shifter lever. You want something that has some weight over it. This is made out of steel. And from the look of it, it looks pretty good, the construction wise. The bearing looks nice and everything, but we will find out. And it comes with the some hardware here. Stainless steel bolts. Yeah, and since this is it's got double bend on it, this will help tremendously placing the shifter knob closer to the driver, closer to me. And this one, I have to compare what I have in there. I might have a problem on this. It might hit the exhaust pipe, but I will find out. Hopefully I have enough clearance on there. And I also picked up some few items that I'm going to put it on here. Mine is missing one of these for the bottom side, and I'm going to use one of these, the new one. And also I got a lithium grease. I know some of you guys are using a high temp grease. I've been reading a lot on the forum, on the internet, what type of grease to be used, and it looks like the lithium grease is okay. I know high temp grease can be used also. It's because of there's a heat that will come to this area, which is coming from the pipe. But I think this will be good, lithium grease. I put a silicone grease on this one, and it's not a good idea. It's getting stiff. Hopefully this thing would not hit the pipe. Oh wow, I think it's only perfect. Yeah, it moved down about a quarter of an inch. I think I'll be okay. And I'll be needing a spacer. All right. Oh man. All right, this goes at the bottom. I guess it won't hurt if you put a lot. The more the better. There you go. All right. That's better. Now this thing goes here. Backwards. There you go. Now this one goes at the bottom. Like that. Okay. Now the bolt, washer, and a nut. A little bit stiff. I guess it's brand new. Okay. This thing comes with this hardware, some bushing. I know I was using a washer onto here. Okay, looks like it. Alright, I'm gonna back it up just a slight. Okay, I think that's it. Alright, I ran into some problem right here. I insert the wrong bolt and now my rib nut is turning. I have to fix that. Okay, other than that, everything is good. There's plenty of clearance. Yeah, it's not gonna hit the pipe or anything. There's still clearance on there, so turned out to be good. Yeah. Right there. It brought me a little closer, but somehow this thing is in an angle. I guess it's okay. Yeah, it'll be alright. It's somewhat in the center now compared to what it was before, but now this is, man, it would be nice if this thing is a little bit towards me or something. Should have bent it or something, but it will do. Let's go for a drive. I appreciate all the comments, the suggestions. Every comment, I have checked every single one of them. The starter, I loosen it up, make sure it's not binding or anything. I check the gears, nothing abnormal there. It's not hanging up or anything like that. And I actually, there was a play on it that it moves up and down. So what I did, I brought it up and then tightened it from there. Because I was thinking maybe it having some kind of allowances. Maybe I didn't get the transmission concentric to the flywheel, but if there is, it will give me that weird sound. That's like it's the gear is not hitting the flywheel or anything like that. But so far, it looks good, and let's go for a drive. This drive is about the last test, which is the VTEC. Yeah, I have not popped the VTEC on this one. It will be nice to find out if it's gonna work or not. That way I have more time to fix it if it needs to. I have about 22 miles already, so I think it's time. I can bring it up to about 5,000 RPM. I'm gradually going there to about 7,000. Bring it up. Alright, let's do it. Up to about 5. Yeah, I didn't hear it. Maybe it's because of the exhaust is too loud. There you go. God, this thing is a ripper, dude. Man. Let's run into Ridge right now. Whew, man. Yeah, that was a drive. Yeah, I should stop beating on it. That's not a good idea. Yeah, hopefully I didn't hurt the motor or anything like that. And my review for the small amount of time that I've had this shifter, it's well worth the money that I paid. 30 bucks, man. Yeah, of course it's not one of those well-known brand like Hybrid Racing. I just settled for this one. This will do for me. Yeah. And for Miley's VTEC, yeah, I pop her VTEC. Yeah, it felt so good that knowing that everything works. So next up is dyno time. Yeah, I'm gonna stop or refrain from beating on her and everything. I think 32 miles going around town is enough to it should be enough. Yeah, she's ready, I think. And this is where I end this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all back on the next episode. Bye everyone, take care. Right on, man. Alright, let's put her in the garage, man. Cool. Thank you all for watching.